Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy ay pakihingi na isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about percentage, rate, and base. So na-discuss na po natin ito noong nakaraang video natin. So continuation lang po ito. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa ating example. So number 1, 13.50 is 50% of blank or what number or unknown. Okay? So example number 1, so mayroon akong dalawang solution na ibibigay ko sa inyo. First, we have to solve this one using decimal and the other one is using fraction. Okay, so hatiin muna natin ito sa dalawa. Okay? Kasi isi-solve natin siya using decimal and fraction. Okay? So, dito tayo sa first. So, this is 13.50. 13.50 is meaning equal. Okay? Yung word na is, that is equal. Tapos 15%. Diba? Tapos of, meaning times. Tapos, blanco niyan. So, ibig sabihin, we will assign variable para sa isang unknown. Or hanapin natin yan, hindi natin alam yan. Okay, so again, yung una nating solution ay solve natin through or using decimal. Okay, so 13.50. So itong 15% change natin ito decimal. So dito yung decimal niya sa right side kay 15. Then i-move natin sa left 2 places. Okay, 1, 2. Ibig sabihin, yung decimal natin nagiging dyan na. Okay? 0.15 okay, times n. Okay? Yung n, hindi pa natin alam. Okay? Then, ngayon, so we have to divide both sides by 0.15. Okay? 13.50, divide natin yan ng 0.15. Sa kabila rin, 0.15 n, okay, divide din natin by 0.15. Then, i-cancel natin yan. Kasi, ang result yan, that is 1. Okay, so 13.50 over 0.15 equals n. Okay, so ngayon, i-divide na natin yan. So, 13.50 tapos 0.15. So, i-move natin si decimal to the right para magiging whole number yung 0.15. So, from here, move natin 2 places, 1, 2. So, whole number na yan. Dito rin, i-move din natin siya 2 places, 1, 2. So, whole number na yan pareho. So, 15 divide at 13.5 or 0.50 or 1,350 divide natin kay 15. Okay, so i-try natin yung 15 times 9. Try ko lang ha. This is 45. Then 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 13. Okay, so this is 9. So 1, 3, 5. Okay, then 0. Okay, alisin ko muna dyan yung ano ba. Dyan ko pa ginawa. Okay. Alisin ko muna ha. Para malinis. So, this is 0. Then, bring down natin yung 0. So, hanap tayo ng number na multiply natin sa 15. The result is 0. So, 0. So, okay. So, yung sagot natin or yung n is equal to 90. So, try natin sa fraction. Okay, kung the same ba. Okay, so 13.50 is or equal 15%. Okay, of meaning times n. Okay, so 13, may 0 pa yan. 13.50 equals, change natin to into fraction. So, 15, if you say percentage or percent, that is per 100. So this is 15 over 100 times n. Okay? So 13.50, okay? I-divide natin both sides yan by 15 over 100. Dito rin, si 15 over 100, i-divide natin by 15 over 100 times n. Okay, i-cancel natin yan kasi 1 na yan. 1 na yung result. So, dito, so kunin natin yung, kasi 13.5, meron siyang over 1. 13.50, merong over 1. Tapos, kunin natin yung reciprocal nito. So, 15 over 100. So, magiging 100 over 15. Okay? Equals n. Okay, so multiply natin si 13.50 kay 100. Okay, dito na lang sa taas. 13.50 pinamawagi. Multiply natin kay 100. Okay? So, pwede ang alisin natin tong isang 0. Okay, para 13.5 na lang. So, 13.5 times 100. Okay, pero mamaya isalin natin si 0 mamaya. So, 0 times 5, that is 0. 3, 0, tapos 0. Then, dalawa pang 0 dyan. So, 1 times 5, that is 5. 1 times 3, that is 3, then 1. Okay, ganun din pala yun. So, 0, 0, 5, 3, 1. So, idagdag natin yung isang 0 kanina. Okay, take note, si decimal ay dalawang place to. Okay, 1, 2. So, 1, 2. Okay, so this is 1,350. So, 1 times 15 is 15 equals n. So, i-divide naman natin yan. Si 1,350. 1,350. Okay, i-divide natin kay 15. Okay, nakuha na. The same na ito. The same na yan. The same. Nakuha natin yan kanina. So, therefore, the result is n is equal to 90. So, the same solution or the same answer, si 90. Okay? So, pili ka lang kung saan convenient para sa'yo. Okay, let's proceed to example number 2. 45 is 12% of blank. Okay, so first, hatiin na naman natin ito. So, we will solve first using decimal. So, si 45 is meaning, yung word na is meaning equal. Tapos 12% of, meaning times. So, anong gagamitin natin dito na variable? Dito, we will try m. Okay? So, any variable pwede. So, again, solve natin using decimal. So, 45 equals, convert natin ito or change natin ito into decimal. So, move natin 2 places to the left. So, that is 0.12. Wala na yung percent. Times m. Okay? Then, divide natin both sides. Okay? By 0.12. Kung ano yung coefficient ni m, yun din yung divide natin both sides. So, i-cancel natin yan. So, naiwan dito, 45 divide by 0.12 or 0.12 equals m. Okay? So, i-divide natin yan. 45 divide by 0.12. So, move natin sa right para magiging whole number. Dito rin, dagdag tayo ng 0, dalawa. So, 12 na yan. Okay, so hanap tayo ng number na i-multiply natin sa 12. Magiging 45 or less or more. Less muna, less. Hindi siya pwede more. So, magiging 45 or less. So, try natin si 3. 4. So, 48. Hindi pwede. So, 3. 3 times 12, that is 36. Okay, that is 15. So, this is 9. Then, bring down natin yung 0. Okay. Then, hanap tayo ng number na multiply natin sa 12. Magiging 90 or less. 90. So, let's try 7 or 8. 14. 7, 8. So, 84. Hindi pwede 8. So, 7. This is 84. So, 10, 6. Bring down natin yung 0. So, hanap naman tayo ng number na i-multiply natin sa 12, magiging 60. So, this is 5. 5 times 12, that is 60. Okay, so 375. So, we will try the fraction form. Okay, the same pa rin. 45 equals 12%, okay, times m. So, 45 equals 12%. Alisin natin yung percent dyan. Then, gawin natin fraction over 100. Kasi, percent meaning per 100 times m. Okay, then 45 equals 12 over 100. I-divide natin both sides yan by 12 over 100. Dito rin 12 over 100. So cancel natin to. So naiwan dito, yan na. So 45 merong over 1 yan kasi whole number si 45, di ba? Then kunin natin yung reciprocal nito. So reciprocal niyan is 100 over 12. Okay? Then, equals m. So, ngayon, i-multiply natin yan. 45 times 100. Okay, that is 4. Okay, try natin ha. Para sure. 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 5. 4. 0, 0, 5. Or 4, 5. Okay, so 4,500 divide natin kay 12. 1 times 12 is 12 equals m. Okay, so divide naman natin yan. So 45, 0, 0 divide natin kay 12. Ayan na, yung kanina. Okay, so the same answer. This is 375. Okay, so pili ka lang kung ano yung solution na gagamitin mo. Okay. Next, number 3 tayo. Okay. Last example na tayo. 24 is 33 and 1/3% of. Okay. So, hindi tayo pwede makasolve dito ng decimal kasi si 1/3, kapag i-convert natin yan into decimal, eh, walang katapusang decimal yan. Okay. So, wala tayong ibang choice kundi i-solve natin siya using fractional form or fraction form. So, 24 is meaning equal, then si 33 and 1/3, convert natin ito into improper fraction. So 33 times 3, that is 99, plus 1 is 100 over 3%. Okay, hindi pa nawala si percent. Of meaning times. Okay, we will try y. Okay, so any variable pwede nating ilagay dyan. Okay. So, continue tayo. 24 equals, so take note, hindi pa nawala si percent, meaning, alisin natin yung percent. So, this is 100 over 3 per 100 times y. Okay? Then, 24 equals 100 over 3. Kunin natin yung reciprocal nito. So, this is, merong over 1 dyan, di ba? So, times 1 over 100 times y. So, equals, 24 equals 100 times 1 is 100. 3 times 100 is 300 times y. Pwede natin i-cancel itong dalawang 0. Pwede mo rin i-divide both numerator and denominator by 100. Okay, so dito tayo sa taas. So 24 equals 1/3. 1/3. Ay, sorry. Yung anong y man na. 1/3. 1/3. Ay, sorry. 1/3 y yan. Okay. 1/3 times y. Okay, ngayon, i-divide naman natin both sides by 1/3 para ma-eliminate yan. Para maiwan dito na side is y na lang. Okay, so 24, divide natin siya by 1/3. Okay, dito rin, 1/3. Divide din natin siya by 1/3 times y. cancel. Okay? So, naiwan dito, 24, di ba? Meron niyang over 1 kasi whole number yan. So, 24 over 1 times reciprocal nito, that is 3 over 1 equals y. Okay, so multiply natin, 24 times 3, that is 72 equals y. So, this is our final answer. 24 is 33 and 1/3% of 72. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.